In this episode we visit a quarry which dates back to the 15th century.
Down the rabbit hole. Turn around. Then just sit on your bum.
Hoe kom je hieruit, Bob?
The same way, it's easy. You can just pull yourself out. Yeah. Been there, done that, so yeah. Sweet.
Here we go.
We're gonna explore the quarry, and we brought neon sticks, a lot of them. So I don't know my way in here, and I wouldn't advise to do it, but we just go, right?
Yep.
And at the end, we take all the sticks back. So we're just gonna leave this here. Alrighty, let's go.
Which way, left or
Straight.
straight?
Yeah. I've seen a little part, but not much. So we're now at a really old quarry from the 15th century. It's crazy, huh?
Yeah, it's amazing.
Hundreds of years of history here.
"70 million years ago, a big part of Europe was covered by an undeep sea. Billions of calcareous organisms lived here and sank to the bottom of the sea when they died. When the sea retreated, the other layers of ground pressed on the lime layers, forming limestone. In the 15th century, blocks of limestone were extracted to build a monastery. The extracted underground blocks formed a quarry. Artworks were made in the quarries in the 19th century to attract tourists. In the 1970s, the biggest part of this quarry vanished by excavating the limestone by a nearby factory. A lot of the oldest drawings, dating back from medieval times, disappeared. But still, there's a lot to see.
Oh, you see a bat? Yeah, nice. I'll leave another stick here. In this area, most of the quarries are really tagged up, really popular by youth. At the moment, during the corona pandemic, it's really popular to make parties. So there's a lot of patrol here.
In this quarry you can find a lot of sinkholes. This is caused by so-called geologic organ pipes. These pipes vary in height and causes the corridor to get filled with ground. Here you can see a small pipe. These geological organ pipes make some parts of the quarry inaccessible.
1828.
Let's see if we can find really old ones.
Yeah, 1944.
Oh yeah, sweet.
Probably they used it as a shelter.
Yeah, they used it in the war.
Here's some gravity from 1820.
Oh, sweet.
Looks like charcoal.
Yeah.
They're 1880, 1827.
And nowadays, they only make drawings like this.
Yeah, that one as well. Wow. 1828.
Here are a lot of them. You can see.
Wow, amazing.
Yeah, let's see what else we can find.
If you want to see an amazing underground chapel and up to 400-year-old drawings, be sure to check out this episode.
This looks crazy.
Here I was here before.
Yeah, 2007, Ronald. Ronald found a nice bone.
I don't know what it is, but it's not that big.
Maybe somebody had a good steak. Yeah, you need to bend over. It's like the Minotaur labyrinth. Oh my god. Instortingsgevaar. Let's hope this part continues somewhere, right?
Hopefully. We have trash here.
Really?
Yeah, probably some old entrance or something. We have to crawl from here. It's your call. You wanna go?
Of course.
These slow corridors are not caused by the geological organ pipes. A nearby factory filled these corridors with fly ash.
What the hell are we doing? Dead end?
Yep.
Ah.
Need to find another way.
Alrighty. Take the stick, jongen.
Yeah.
So we clean everything, we don't leave any traces. And I don't recommend to use this technique in places where a lot of people go because they will throw away the stick so you will get lost. So don't try this. We now know that there will probably be no one here, so that's why we throw these sticks around.
Where to the right, I guess?
Yeah, I'll try to the right, yeah. Maybe. I think this is another dead end, eh? Or not? De berglopers. Let's go to the left here. There's some light here. Cool. Yeah, let's check it out. Oh, nice view here, huh? I walked a lot of times on the other side, but not often here. Oh, sweet. Yeah, it's nice. Here is a famous factory.
Take a look at that.
Oh yeah. Oh, there's a mammoth carving. That's pretty cool. Oh.
There's a car down there.
All right. Yeah. Maybe we can just sneak upon the carving there. Yeah, just take care. Nobody's gonna watch upstairs, I guess, right? Yeah, we all know this factory. So you now know where this quarry is, but good luck finding the entrance.
Check out the episode to find out more about this factory.
This is really cool, yeah. Never seen this before.
This mammoth carving just survived the excavation and sees daylight now.
It's nice to see the difference of the height of the corridors here. Wow. Here it's like at least 4-5 meters. What is it? Oh yeah, wait. Well spotted, Ronald. Yes. Every junction you can go left, right, straight.
Everything.
Yeah. Looks pretty freaky, yeah, this part.
It's burnt.
Yeah.
We had no clue what this was. My only guess is that this was a connection between two quarries.
So there's a tiny hole in here, which we can climb through. See where we get out. I have no clue.
Alrighty, I hope we are on the other part. I don't know.
I don't know. It's really low again, huh?
Yep.
I can see, look. It's like a brick wall. So they tried to close it and they opened it again. So let's go here. Throw a stick.
I did.
And it's a real maze in here. My God.
It is. Which way do we go?
Hey, good one. Oh, it's getting really tight, huh?
Yeah, that looks closed.
Well, you can go to the left afterwards, but
Yep.
yeah, well, you see how far you can get. Yeah, you need to crawl here.
Cool.
Oh,
Here's getting bigger again.
really? Nice. Oh, I hope we get to a new part here. It's funny to see. I think we've been here.
Which way?
Yeah, which way?
Yeah, we've been here. See the outside.
Well, then we just have to make the best out of this and then go out again and find a new entrance.
I don't see any sticks anymore.
Oh no. Oh.
Here's one.
Oh, good news. Oh well, we had a nice stroll, right? Then we go back out slowly.
Thanks for watching, and see you next time.
We need a hand.
Oh my God, no, I'm fine. Just all the mud in my face is terrible. Oh. Jesus. It's like a foxhole in here, right?
Yeah, a bit smaller.